If you would like to schedule a private tour, please call the Rita Hall team at 912-510-4426. Brand new roof, 3-bedroom split floor plan home with formal dining room/office behind French doors, foyer entry, bamboo and wood laminate floors, carpet in only 2 bedrooms, open concept, eat-in kitchen, breakfast bar, vaulted ceilings. The owner's bedroom is spacious with private bath featuring double sinks, walk-in closet, garden tub and separate water closet. The owner's bedroom also access to sunroom on back. The sunroom is apex 256 square feet, tile floors, windows galore and ceiling fans. This home, neat as a pin, is located in a cul-de-sac, has 2 storage sheds and a carport plus an attached 2-car automatic garage. Other features include interior laundry, neutral colors, well and irrigation system, water softener, new 50-gallon water heater, tiled front porch. 7.3 miles to Kings Bay, 3.4 miles to Florida border and boat ramp at